Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, I'm bringing you a super easy and protein-packed recipe that's perfect for lunch, dinner, or even meal prep. Baked chicken and almond patties. These are keto-friendly, low-carb, cheesy, and bursting with flavor. Let's get started. First, grab your food processor and add in 2 chicken breasts cut into small cubes. 1 egg. 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Half teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon paprika. And 2 teaspoons of thyme. Blend that all up until you get a smooth creamy mixture. This is the base of our patties. Now it's time to make it even better. Add in half a cup of ground almonds and half a cup of grated cheddar cheese. Give it a good mix until everything is well combined. Now for the fun part, shaping the patties. This mixture makes about 15 medium-sized patties. Here's a little tip: wet your hands slightly to prevent the mixture from sticking. Line a baking pan with parchment paper and place your patties on it, evenly spaced out. Pop them into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 25 minutes, until golden and fully cooked. Look at these beauties. Golden on the outside, tender and flavorful on the inside. You can serve them with a side salad, some homemade sauce, or just enjoy them as they are. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Heaven's Kitchen for more delicious low-carb creations. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out, and what you'd love to see next. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep cooking with love.